Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a CRV. You're going to need a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. And you could use a flat blade screwdriver, but it's not necessary. So first order of business is on the back here. You want to slide this clip over and pull out your mechanical key. Now take your mechanical key and insert it right in between these two halves. You just want to give it a good push and a twist. Now it's important that these buttons are down, because they can fall out pretty easily. So just, once you have access to your battery here, you can just take your key, or this is where you can use a screwdriver. But you can see it's pretty easy with your key. Take out your dead battery. Your new one goes under these first tabs first, and then put your cover back on. You can test it by, get that a good squeeze back together. Tester right here. Make sure you got your red light, and then put your mechanical key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.